Hey, what is up, folks? Welcome back to another episode of Fish Meat for Dinner. Today we're going to be fishing on a lake that I've fished on a lot. I mean, I've ice fished this lake so much. Probably half of my ice fishing videos have been on this lake. It's got a lot more popularity over the years of fishing it. I used to be like the only one that ever fished this lake in the winter time. Like, I'd come here and I'd be the only one parked here, and now look. Now there's multiple cars down there. So it's definitely got more popular. I don't know if that's because of me or just because the bite was so good that somehow other people found out. But this is going to be my first time ice fishing this year. So this is first ice for me. I drove about an hour to get here. It was an hour north of my house. So the ice is getting thick. We got a couple people already out there. We're going to see how thick the ice is, and we're going to get right into it. So without further ado, I'm going to unload my stuff. Let's go catch some fish. Okay, so I just found this hole right here. I chipped it out with my ice pick, and I'm just gonna see how deep it is here. Usually the fish here like to hang out around like 14 to 15 feet of water, so I'm gonna try that sweet spot. We got good ice, really good ice actually. It's real dark clear stuff. So yeah, we got basically a whole lake to work with. I like staying towards the back end of the lake, just because I feel like it has better fishability. The weeds aren't as high in the water, so you have more of the water column to work with, and it's just, to me, it's better fishing over here. So we're gonna see what we're working with here. I'm gonna drop down the flasher, and I brought my underwater camera today too, so we can see some underwater structure and stuff. So yeah, let's get after it. We got like 3 hours or so of daylight left, so we got to get moving for to catch a fish today. Looks like we got, we got 9 feet of water here. Zoom this out. So, here. Got some 9 feet of water. God, this thing needs to be zoomed up more. Better, huh? Gucci? Oh, here comes a fish. It's right on me. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good fish. Nice bluegill. That is my first fish of the ice season. Look at him. It's a good bluegill. Trying to lip him here. It's a nice bluegill. Probably like a 7, maybe 8-inch bluegill. Nice. By the time one of them suckers actually committed, I had like 3 bites, and I had one fish that bit me twice in a row, and he was huge, dude. Like, I set the hook and he was on there for a minute, and I was like, holy moly. Ripping my stuff apart. Holy cow. Hello, bluegill. Check him out. Yeah. Seems like a little bit better one. Tighten the drags. He's not big enough to eat, but it's not a bad bluegill. Really, he's fat. He's been eating good. Going all over the place. Bluegill. Yeah. Little dude. There we go. Ooh, this is good. Yeah. Not a bad one. I don't even think he ate the wax worm. I don't see it. He just ate the bare jig, dude. Yeah, there wasn't any wax worm on it, but he still bit it. I'm hungry. Alright. So, it seems as though the bluegills and stuff are in shallow water. So, I don't really like fishing in shallow water, but to catch fish, you gotta do what the fish are doing. So, alrighty, folks. Thank you guys for watching. We didn't catch a whole lot of fish, really. But I broke the seal, I guess you could say. Caught a fish, and wasn't a bad one. We're gonna throw them in with our squirrel and steak tonight, which I'll include in a video. And yeah, that'll do her for today. Thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate everything that you guys do for me, how you support me and whatnot. Make sure to leave a comment. We're gonna be doing some podcasts coming up with me and the boys. So drop down like interesting things you'd like us to talk about, and questions you might have, or any ideas that you might have at all. So thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace. Weekend.